All right, I am back with task 2. So in this second video, we're just continuing on with our advanced hypothesis testing and focusing on multiple population means analysis. So the goal was to determine the mean annual temperature and whether or not that changes significantly across whether the change that occurs differs among the various countries that we have in here. And again, there are 200 and something countries, even after removing any rows with NaN values and any outliers. So we still end up with about 200 countries, and so I think that's a pretty decent size, especially from all over the world. So here I use I think this is where it is, where I use the F1 way. Yep, F1 way from SciPy to conduct the ANOVA test. So continuing on, I ended up doing a mean temperature change with the year. And let's see. Oh, the ANOVA test revealed very significant statistics here. So we have as an F-stat of 2.6 and a p-value of negative a lot. So that indicates that climate change affects countries differently, which is not surprising based on task 1, where the U.S. had higher changes than the other two countries, which one was Colombia and one was South Africa, I believe. So here we have a Plotly Express line graph chart. Oh my gosh, it's late in Texas. So here I wanted to make it interactive so that we could scroll over and look at the data sets as we wanted to, just because there is a lot of data here. I chose the top 10 countries, I believe. Yeah. So I sorted them by the highest mean temperature change. So that would be these countries here. Cuba. I don't think Cuba was the highest, but this is alphabetical. So we have something that you can scroll over and look at, each point on the map if you really want to. So here is my report on this particular statistic. This is where I realized I didn't actually have my outliers clean. So I guess it was halfway through task 2. And so this is what they look like beforehand, I think. No, this was afterwards. Beforehand, it was like 1.5 or 4. This was 4.0 and this was 1.5. So, oops, my bad. You live and you learn. I did have to go back and do a lot of work, but it's fine. So, in conclusion, yes, this temperature range, it varies significantly. So we'll be moving on to task 3 in just a moment.